Explain the process to create the user in SQL Server. So if you are getting this question in your interview, so you need to follow these steps. The first step, you need to log in as a administrator in SQL Server. Once you log in your SQL Server, then second step you need to follow to create the login ID in your database by using the below commands. Create login, your login ID with password. You need to mention your password. Once login ID is created, then next step, we have to create the username against your login ID. What we have created the previous command. So we will create the username against on that login ID. For that case, you need to follow create user. Then after we need to mention your username for login and we need to mention your login ID. Then last step, we need to enable SQL Server authentication mode by manually process. For that case, you need to follow these steps. Right click on your SQL Server, then after property, security, then choose the server authentication. Next we have to choose SQL Server and Windows authentication mode. Then after click on the OK button. Then after you need to right click on SQL Server and restart your server once. Then after we can use this login information for the authentication in your SQL Server. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this session. And most important, please click on the subscribe button so you will get more notification for our future video. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.